Hello and what is up everybody? Casper Trader back here with another video. And now I'm just stuck in a hole. I'm down to $37.50. I was trying to sell my GoPro puts for 12 cents, which it was at. It was at 12 cents during the day around this area. 12 cents, and I put a order for 12 cents and it got canceled both times, even though it was around that area for like, I don't know, 2.5 hours. So I'm surprised why it didn't get filled. And now it's down to 4 cents. So I just lost another 20 bucks on this option. And if anyone has any suggestions for me, please put them in the comments down below, because I'm really just stuck. I have no idea what I should do. I'm just going to keep trying to trade options, but I really have no idea what to do from here. If anyone's experienced and knows how I can get out of this, please just comment down below and let me know, because I need to get out of here. My goal is from 500 to a million. I went from 500 to 800. Then I went down to $37. So yeah, anyone have any suggestions, any help, please just comment down below. That'd be really nice, and I thank you very much for that. Alright then, just one more thing. GoPro, it was just an overall huge day for the market. It went up like 5.5% or something like that. So I think this is just going to be temporary for GoPro to go up. But I don't know why. Maybe there's not a lot of volume trading options for GoPro. As you can see, this, I don't know. But I just couldn't sell it today for some reason. I couldn't sell this GoPro put. So if anyone has any suggestions for me, I have 10 bucks left in my cash balance right now. So if anyone has any suggestions, please comment down below, and just have a great day, and I wish you luck in the stock market.